are you? Welcome back to the Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. Today we're gonna create 4 amazing ponytails. I know that ponytails is the easiest way to put out away your hair without thinking too much, but today I'll show you how to spice up your ponytails super quick. Guys, don't forget to tell me in comments down below which of these ponytails is actually your favorite, okay? So without further ado, let's get started right into our hair tutorial.
First, we're gonna begin with our parting, and then you want to grab an elastic and select our heavy side for letter, and with the rest you want to make a low ponytail, loosen it a bit to make it beautiful looking, and then grabbing your heavy side you want to bring it backwards and twist it once, and then twist it around created ponytail and tuck it into the elastic the ends of the section, loosen this section a little bit, and yes, you're done! So for the next one, we want to make a very low ponytail, loosen your top to make it beautiful looking, and then grabbing a section from the ponytail, you want to bring it up and loop your fingers through this section first, and then bring this section around the ponytail, grabbing the ends of these sections underneath with your fingers from loop section. I hope that you understand what I mean, but basically you can see what I'm doing. Bring it through the loop like I'm showing. You want to add more hair to remaining section from the ponytail, and again you want to bring your fingers through and then wrap your section around the ponytail and then bring the ends through the created loop. So you want to continue these steps over and over. You add hair to the ends of our section and you want to bring your fingers and loop it and then wrap the section all around the ponytail and grabbing it from underneath of the ponytail and bring it through your loop. So you want to continue these steps as many times as you want, and of course this depends on the length of your hair. You can do here 2 or 3 depending on how you like it. Basically it reminds me of a crochet and it looks amazing. When you are happy with the result, you want to tie, securing your ponytail with a clear elastic, tighten it a bit, and your ponytail is ready. For our next one, we want to grab our crown section, tie it and loosen it a bit to make it beautiful looking. Now you want to grab 2 sections from the sides of your crown section like I'm showing, tie it over first ponytail and then you want to cross it like I'm showing. Bring your fingers through created loop of your second ponytail and bring first ponytail through the loop, tighten it and then you want to grab another section from both sides of our created ponytail like I'm showing, tie it over again, twist it again, and grabbing remaining hair you want to bring it through created loop again, and you're basically done. For the next hairstyle, you want to grab 2 sections from the sides of your crown section like I'm showing. Make sure everything is nice and smooth, and you want to create, guess what, yes, you want to knot your hair just once, and then you want to tie the ends with a clear elastic, loosen it a bit to make it beautiful looking. And then again you want to grab 2 sections from the sides, you want to make a knot again, and now you want to bring the ends of the knot under overall hair and tie it underneath like I'm showing. And you're done!
I hope that you enjoyed today's ponytail hairstyles. If you do, guys, don't forget about thumbs up. This inspires me so much, and you know that. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification button as well, okay? So you'll be notified every time I'm sharing something new. What are you waiting for? You can choose any of these tutorials and watch it and recreate it so you'll have beautiful hair every day. Love you guys. Bye!